All right, today on Orozco's Kitchen, we're gonna be making this pork, and we're gonna start with some pork lard, and we have this boneless pork butt. So make sure you get it skinless as well. Add some garlic to your pork, add some salt, and we will be cooking this on a stovetop today, guys, and a skillet. Add some black pepper as well, and you're gonna cook these 5 minutes per side. Then add some vinegar to soften up that pork as well. Now we're going to remove all the pork from the pan. Once removed from the pan, let's go ahead and foil it on both sides. And we're going to be throwing this back into the oven at 400 degrees. And we're going to keep it there for about 30 minutes. And then we're going to drop it to 350 for 60 minutes. And then we're going to uncover it and let it cook for 20 minutes to evaporate some of that juice. And we're going to remove some of the juice at this point as well. And we're going to add some Coke. This will caramelize that pork and give it a nice coating when we start to braise it. So we're going to braise it for 30 more minutes at 350 degrees. Man, those carnitas look good. All right, so our total cook time on these was 2 hours and 20 minutes. Now we're gonna place all these carnitas on this white plate. Look how tender they are. And they look juicy.
Se desbarata bien fácil, si se fijan. Miren, con el puro tenedor se están.
It looks so soft.
Suavecitas y están doraditas.
I want this piece. That's good.